Hi, and welcome to REV Limited. I'm Eric, this is Charles, and we're at the home of NSX Rack Repair. It's more of the business side of what goes on here, and so now Charles is going to tell us a little bit about the services that they offer for NSX steering racks.
Hey, so we repair all NSX racks from 91 to 2005, NA1, NA2, manual steering or EPS steering. They all have issues and they have knocking noises. Here's a couple of them here. This is the EPS rack. That's the manual rack, so there's a difference there. So yeah, if you have any problems with your NSX steering wise, let us know. There's a link down in the description, and look us up.
Alright, now let's take a look at some of the cars and projects that we have coming up.
This first one here is a 1992 Acura NSX. We purchased this one about 2020, so it's been a couple years. It's just been a back burner project, so we're finally getting it going now. Do plan on taking this one to NS Expo in October, so we'll be driving this one to Arizona. Still got a long way to go. We've got a lot of parts coming, so we will have a build, some videos coming for this, so if you want to see more, stay tuned. We also have on the lift a 1977 Ford F100. This is just a personal project of ours, so you may see it in and out of the shop every now and then.
Now let's go outside and take a look at some of the other cars that we have here. Alright, first up outside we have my daily driver. It's a 2018 Subaru BRZ Limited with the performance package. I searched for a couple months for this car because I wanted black, white, or red with the Brembo brakes. Of course, it took a little while, but I eventually found it, and I'm very happy with it. It has a 6-speed, and of course, the nice big brakes that come with the performance package. The next car
is... Yeah, we got a 2002 WRX. This is it's got about 186,000 miles on it. I bought it from the original owner. It's a friend of mine, locally. So the car's always been around this area. It is a 2.0 liter turbo automatic, but eventually we'll probably do a manual swap or an STI swap on it. It's just gonna be a cool project. It's currently my daily driver, so I'm not doing too much with it. Just putting some miles on it. A couple other cars we've got over here on the property. We've got a 1998 Honda Prelude. This is a Type SH. It's a pretty cool little car. It was a good running and driving car when we bought it, but the head gasket decided not to hang out with us anymore, so we'll have to do some work on it. Otherwise, the interior's in really good shape. Definitely needs some body work. The paint's starting to fade on it, but still a cool car. Got a couple of IS300s down here. These, the silver one here, I purchased it with a Toyota Supra engine in it. It's already been built. It came with an 800 horsepower 2JZ GTE non-VVTi, and we bought it for that engine, but decided to keep the car. Since we took that engine out, we bought a JDM VVTi 2JZ GTE. This is just a stock engine. It needs a lot of work. We put the engine in it and got busy with other projects, so it's been a back burner project as well. This black one, bought from a junkyard. I actually paid $700 for it. And the guy told me it ran, but we didn't know for sure. So we took some videos of it, and stay tuned to the channel if you want to see what that was like. But we took this car in and put new spark plugs in it, and did some other work to it, and actually got it running. So I have a running and driving $700 IS300. It's pretty cool. So other cars we've got coming up on the channel, we've got a 95 Toyota Supra twin turbo. It's a Baltic blue. It's one that we've got coming up on the channel. Got a couple other NSXs as well, so if you like this kind of stuff and you want to see more of it, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and come back to our channel.